consider this coordinate axis. You have studied three-dimensional Cartesian coordinate axis, x, y, z axis. I explain, if f of x, y is 1, then double integral dy dx a along about this a, region A, represent only area, because this is xy plane. Correct? You have to imagine this. There are three mutually perpendicular lines. xy lies in the plane of the blackboard, and OZ is towards you. It is towards you. It is three-dimensional. It is x, y, z axis. I consider the lines rectangle. First, I consider the rectangle in the xy plane bounded by two lines. Suppose this is x equal to b, x equal to a, x equal to a, and y is equal to c, y is equal to d. Y is equal to c, y is equal to d. This is the suppose region of integration. This is suppose region of integration. What is the region of integration here? A, it is bounded by a rectangle in the xy plane. Did you understand this one? What is A here? A is the rectangle in the xy plane bounded by four lines. X is A, X is B, Y is C, Y is D. Now, suppose f of xy is the surface. It is like this. F of xy is some surface. F of xy is equal to 0. What do you mean by surface? You have studied standard surfaces. Cone is a surface, and sphere is also a surface, or cylinder is a surface. Suppose this is surface whose equation is given by f of xy is equal to 0. Now, I consider the region. I consider this region, that is volume over this region. Volume over this region. Take the perpendicular lines like this. Perpendicular lines. These are the lines. Now I have drawn a straight lines from this xy plane to perpendicular from xy plane to this surface. Perpendicular from xy plane to this surface. What are they? Four lines. This is first one, second, and third one, and fourth one. Fourth one. Now, this contains some volume. Rita, what is that volume? Volume is, suppose the curve is like this. It is not. It is a closed curve. Suppose it is a closed curve. Then what you get? You get this one. Rita, you get this one. Suppose this is the curve. This is the curve. Then you will get volume bounded by the surface. What is the surface? F of xy is 0. And the region, volume bounded by this surface above this region. Above this region. What is the region? Region is a rectangle in the xy plane bounded by these four lines. Four lines. And if you integrate over this region, that is f of xy over this region, you will get this volume. What is the volume? Volume above this region, bounded by the region, and this surface. Above the region, bounded by this surface. It may not be a cuboid or like that. It may not be cuboid, because this is some surface, standard surface. Then what you get? You get this volume. If you integrate over the region A, f of xy dy dx. Suppose f of xy is 1. F of xy is 1. Then what happens? You will get only this much. You will not get this surface. F of xy is constant. you will get only this area. This area. What is this? That is plane area you will get. Therefore, if f of xy is 1, that is if you take only dy dx, double integral dy dx over the region A, then you will get only that region A. You will get only region A. Now we use this to find some areas. Some areas. Using double integrals, calculate or find the area of the circle x square plus y square is 1. This theory part is not required, and you will get only problems here. Question is like this: find the areas using double integrals. Area of the circle, ellipse, like that. And you need not prove that double integral dy dx over the region A gives only area. That proof is not required. But I explain how that represent only area. When this f of xy is 1, it becomes area, only double integral becomes this area. If you take f of xy also, then it covers this volume. Volume bounded by the surface above this region. So, we start with this problem. Take the problem. Using double integrals, find the area of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. For the proof of that, you can refer any advanced calculus, integral calculus book, you will get the proof. Now these problems are important from examination point of view. Using double integrals, find the area of the circle. What is the area? Required area is double integral over the region A dy dx. You have to take f of xy is equal to 1. Then it represents area. All of you can understand now. This is, if you take f of xy is 1, then double integral dy dx over the region A gives only area of the region. Now what is A here? Where A is? A means you have to take region of the circle. You have to express this circle, region bounded by this circle, in terms of inequalities. That I have already explained. How to express this x square plus y square is equal to 1 in terms of inequalities satisfied by xy. How to express? X is, circle means it is a unit circle. Center is origin, radius is 1 here. So x varies from minus 1 to 1. Correspondingly, y varies from minus root 1 minus x square to plus root 1 minus x square. I think there is no difficulty in this one. You can understand now, this is for this region, area of the circle. How to express this region in terms of inequalities? X varies from minus 1 to 1. Corresponding value of y varies from minus root 1 minus x square to plus root 1 minus x square. Because y is obtained by this equation. You have to solve for y here. Y square is 1 minus x square. What is y? Plus or minus root 1 minus x square. Therefore, it is required volume is minus 1 to, area is minus 1 to 1 minus root 1 minus x square to plus root 1 minus x square dy dx. Dy dx. All of you can write the notes also, no? You can write the notes. You note down this also. This is the reason and is given by this. So it is. What is next step? Minus a to a is 2 into 0 to a. Correct? 2 into 0 to a. Properties which are applicable for single variables, definite integral is applicable for this also. We use this as repeated integral. Can I write 4 here? 4 into 0 to 1, 0 to root 1 minus x square dy dx. Two integrals are there. 2 from this, 2. 4. Therefore, 4 into 0 to 1, what is integral dy? Y from 0 to root 1 minus x square with respect to x. With respect to x. 4 into integral 0 to 1 root 1 minus x square with respect to x. How do we get this step? What is integration of dy? Inner integral is with respect to y. 1 dy is y. What are the limits for y? 0 and root 1 minus x square. Upper limit is root 1 minus x square. Minus 0 that I have not written here. Only root 1 minus x square. It is 4 into. Anyway, what is root 1 minus x square integration? What is the formula? We have used in previous class. Yesterday we have used this formula. Integral root a square minus x square with respect to x. Formula is x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by x. This is the formula. You have to remember this formula. 4 into x by 2 square root of 1 minus x square plus 1 upon 2 root of 1 upon 2 sine inverse x by 1 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Four into formula and application also important. Formula root 1 minus x square. A is 1 here. A is 1. 4 into 1 by 2 root 1 minus 1 1 upon 2 sine inverse 1 minus 0. So 4 by 2 what is sine inverse 1? Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So pi it is. 4 cancels, pi. Now is it correct? Answer is correct. What is the circle? X square plus y square is 1. It is a standard formula. What is the area of the circle formula? Pi r square or pi a square. What is a? 1. So pi into 1 square is pi. Area of the circle is pi. Area of the circle is pi. Completed this one. Area of the circle is pi. Now I make this as a. X square plus y square is a square. Then what must be the answer? Pi into a square. Answer will be pi into a square. Correct? Now make this another problem. Using the double integrals, find the area of the circle. X square plus y square is a square. Ranjit, any doubts here? I have taken radius as 1, so answer I have obtained as pi only. Now make this area of the circle x square plus y square is a square using double integrals. Then what is the region of integral? Minus a to a minus root a square minus x square to plus a square minus x square, 0 to a, 0 to root a square minus x square. In this problem only I make the corrections here. 0 to a square minus x square. Therefore 4 into 0 to a root of a square minus x square with respect to x. Root a square minus x square. Root a square it is, a square minus x square. So 4 into x by 2 square root of a square minus x square, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Limit is from 0 to a. 0 to a. So in place of a, you may be given 9, 4, 16, so on. 4 into, first substitute a, you get a square by 2 sine inverse 1 minus 0, because sine inverse 0 is 0, from this 0 it is 4 a square by 2 pi by 2 pi a square. That is the area of the circle, pi a square. Pi a square. Next is find the area of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 using double integrals. Using double integrals. In definite integrals of single variables, we have studied these problems. How to find the area using definite integrals. But here we use multiple integrals, double integrals. What is ellipse? You know the standard ellipse. Two standard forms are there in ellipse, depending on ellipse A and B. Two standard forms. Find the area of the ellipse using double integrals. Answer is pi AB. In terms of double integrals, what is the area? Dy dx over the region A. A means this region you have to express in terms of inequalities satisfied by x and y lying in that region. What is x? Greater than or equal to minus a, less than or equal to a. Y value you have to solve. Solve this equation, you will get y as plus or minus b by a root a square minus x square. So y varies from minus b by a root a square minus x square to plus b by a root a square minus x square. So what is the area? Therefore area of the ellipse is double integral minus a to a minus root minus b by a root a square minus x square to plus b by a root a square minus x square dy dx. Limits of y are minus b by a to plus b by a root a square minus x square. And integrate you will get same integral at the end. You will get you have to evaluate 0 root a square minus x square, and this is the formula, root a square minus x square, and answer is pi ab. Pi ab. Take this as exercise. Next step you have to continue here. Take this as 4 into 0 to a, 0 to b by root a square minus x square. Answer is pi ab. You note down the answer and try this as exercise.